my friends, and welcome back to our channel, Home is Where Our Heart Is. My name is Dane, author of the series of books, Knowledge to Forage. I hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you are in the world, and thank you all for joining me here today, where I'm absolutely blessed to be spending the week living in the woods in a yurt with my family at Camp Wowo. Today is a special day. It's a beautiful summer's day. 1 minute it's beaming with sunshine, the next minute it's raining, and it's super refreshing. And what better refreshing plant to find on such a refreshing day than wild mint? Wild mint is both delicious and medicinal, and it makes a fantastic wild and free lemonade. So if you're interested, then come for a frolic through this woodland with me, and we'll learn how to find wild mint, what it does, and then we'll take some home to my beautiful wife Stelly, where she'll teach us how to make wild and free wild mint lemonade. So firstly, if we want to meet the humble herb that goes by the name of mint, we need to know two things: where and when it grows. Where does the mint like to live? Well, firstly, mint is an explorer, and you'll find it growing widespread throughout the world. You can find mint growing across Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, and many more countries. And it loves to grow in the springtime. You can find it through spring and summer, and sometimes in autumn too. And you won't catch this plant down sunning itself on the beach. Mint loves to grow in damp, shady woodlands like this. Today is an especially beautiful day to be out collecting wild mint, because we're actually in the middle of a heat wave here in the UK today, but you wouldn't think it with all this rain. The last few days have been absolutely blazing with sunshine, but as soon as we've come out to get some refreshing mint, we've been blessed with a downpour of refreshing rain. So now we're in the dark, damp, shaded woods. What we need to do is look for some boggy areas. This is where the mint loves to make its home. Sunshine is once again gracing us with its presence. And can you hear that? The unmistakable sound of running, trickling water. So let's head towards the water source. Here we've come out and found a stream at the edge of this woodland. Dark, damp, shaded woodland, flowing water. You can hear the trickle of a waterfall in the background. So now we're just going to walk along this bank and keep our eyes open, and it shouldn't be long until we bump into our good friend, the mint. And here we found, can you see it? A giant, abundant patch of mint. It's hot and humid, and this is a very, very refreshing find. So let's go introduce ourselves. Would you just look at this vibrant patch of mint? Excuse me, coming through. Oh, I can actually smell the mint on the air, and down here amongst this mint, it was all hot and humid up there, and I was starting to sweat, and it's cool and refreshing just being down here amongst it all. Now, to identify mint, to know we found mint, is super simple, because firstly, all mints have a square stem. How fascinating is that? A square stem. Who would know? Who would have thought that nature would make squares? Now, the second key identifier is, of course, when you squish its leaves. In your fingers, you warm up them beautiful mint essential oils within the plant. And you get transported to a better place. The smell is heavenly, a divine smell, the unmistakable smell of mint. Now, there's many types of different mint. It's thought to be there's around 13 to 14 distinct species of mint, but nobody truly knows how many varieties of mint they are, because there's something very, very special about the mint. Because they're a cheeky plant and they hybridize very easily, have babies together. When you take two different species of mint and they have a baby, that then gives birth to a completely unique mint plant. For example, it looks like we have water mint here, Mentha aquatica, and when Mentha aquatica, water mint, is mixed with spearmint, guess what baby they have? Peppermint. How amazing is that? Water mint plus spearmint equals peppermint, and all these different unique variations are born from the unique combinations of mint. Now, when it comes to the health benefits of mint, mint is a little miracle of medicinal properties. You see, when we consume this plant, it soothes our digestive system as it passes through, making it good for treating upset stomachs, acid reflux, and IBS. It's also very good at soothing nausea. So when you feel sick for any reason, whether it's car sick or nauseous from the flu or anything that causes that sick, horrible feeling, you can consume the mint and it helps soothe that horrible sicky feeling away. And of course, mint's #1 medicinal property, this plant is absolutely blessed because it refreshes and opens our airways. This plant helps us to breathe. When we inhale it, just fresh like this, or in a steam bath, steam inhalation with its essential oils, the special essential oils of this plant, it opens up our airways. This is great for just refreshing our lungs so we can enjoy the fresh air, but it's also good for treating things like seasonal allergies. All this stuff that stuffs up our chest, it refreshes us so we can breathe. Now we're going to collect ourselves a beautiful bouquet of this fresh mint, take it home to Stelly where she can teach us how to turn it into fresh, homemade mint lemonade.
Welcome to the Woodland Yurt here at Camp Wowo in East Sussex. If you're in this part of the world, it's beautiful and you should come and check it out because we have found wild water mint. It smells amazing, super healing and delicious. We're going to make ourselves some wild water mint lemonade. To make this wonderful water mint lemonade, you will need 4 ingredients: some mint, some honey, some lemons and some water. Step 1. Gather your mint and then leave it outside so that all the bugs get a chance to run away. And then give it a little wash. Ours actually got washed by the rain and we're quite happy with that. So we're going to crack on and make some lemonade. Step 2, measure out a jug of water and bring it to the boil. Step 3, we're going to chop and crush our mint so that we can release all the essential oils that are going to make it smell and taste delicious. Chop the leaves and the stem and the whole of the plant. Now it's boiling. Turn off the heat. Measure out 4 generous cups of mint. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stir in your mint. It's all submerged in the hot water, and as the heat works with your mint, it's going to release all those lovely oils into the water. A lovely, yummy infusion. Slice up your lemon. And pop them on top. Pop the lid on top. I'm going to leave that for 15 minutes to do its magic. Oh, that smells amazing. Woo-hoo-hoo! Delicious. If you're ever feeling a little bit stressed, maybe a little bit grumpy, a little bit tired, there's lots of kids around, then have a whiff of some mint tea and it's immediately uplifting. So lovely. Stir, and then we're going to grab our colander and strain out our infused mint and lemon water. So minty. Give it a good squish squash. Get all those essential oils and juices out into your water. And stir in honey to taste. We're using 1 tablespoon. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah, delicious. Pour out your minty lemony tea. Top up with fizzy water. Bubble, 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 bubble. And voila! Wild mint lemonade. Da, da, da. Delicious.
Cheers!
Cheers! Wild mint lemonade made here at Camp Wowo.
Ah, refreshing goodness. When you smell mint, that's one thing, but when you drink it, you just bring it in to all your sinuses, and it's liberating me of my seasonal allergies, which is nice.
And it's so uplifting. There's nothing better for patients and lifting mood than a nice mint lemonade tea.
If you're feeling groggy, lethargic, if you're in the humid weather, smell some mint, drink some mint, and it just liberates you cognitively, functionally.
We love wild mint lemonade. It's delicious. We really, really like it. It's super easy to make, and it's a great way of getting all the kids and everyone involved in making up some mint lemonade.
And it's good for you. When you drink it, it's refreshing, delicious, but you can give it to the kids when they feel sick or if they've got an upset stomach, or drink it yourself if you feel unwell, have an upset stomach too.
Mint's really good for the digestive system, so having a nice mint fizzy is going to help to ease all of those digestive worries, and
I can breathe like I've had a big strong bubble gum. As always, people, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel.
Home is where our heart is.
Yeah, because we need to teach more people about the wild and free mint lemonade. If you want to own all the knowledge just like this in book form, check out our awesome series of books, Knowledge to Forage, and check out Study's Ko-fi, Follow Along Foraging, where she'll send you fun educational subscription packs.
This month we're learning all about roses and how to make a wonderful rosy spritz.
But most importantly of all, above all else, take care of yourselves, and we'll see you next time.
Peace.